Welcome. In front of me is a Poco X3 GT, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen, and on one of the pages you will see a screen recording. Now I don't see it on the first page, so I'm going to swipe to the left, which will show me a secondary page, and you can see it right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It gives you three options as a record button, a folder which will take you to the screen recordings, settings options, and close. Now quickly navigating to the settings, here you can change how the screen recorder will record, the quality of it. So I recommend changing the frame rate to the highest one, which unfortunately is only 30 frames. Change it to that. Anything lower than that is a little bit, well, too low. Now, we also have resolutions, which is already set to the highest one, so that's good. Video quality, 16 megabits per second, should be okay. And that's really all I will be changing. You can obviously change the toggles in here to fit your needs, but I'm gonna close this and then click on this circle to start recording. So, once you're done recording, you can interact with this barely visible overlay and then select the square to stop the screen recording. You can also click on the X to close it, and now we can find our screen recording in the Photos application, or gallery as it's named right here. Got it. And you can see that it's right here under Photos, but you can also locate it under Albums and Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Now when selecting this, just make sure that you select then a tab, Screen Recordings, and we can view it. So there we go. Now I'll point out one more thing, that if you're planning to use screen recordings to record some kind of applications, like as an example Netflix, I will discourage you from doing this right away. It won't work. Netflix has some way of blocking the screen recording, so what you will get is sound, but the image will be just a fully black screen. And that also extends to some other applications like bank apps, which will try to block screen recordings as well. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.